It's a big pile of rocks. It's 1.5 inch something crushed stone, and I've got to lay that down in there to facilitate drainage for the footing drains, those pipes over there. So I got to do that on the inside and the outside, and I figure I have to dig down just a little bit first. Slow and steady work, this. Well, that's a layout I've kind of mocked up. I'm not sure if I'm going to glue or not, PVC glue, but this is the exterior footing drain. This is kind of a high point. I think it stands to reason a little bit. It'll all flow. It's going to all flow out anyway. It's pretty obvious at this point. I have no idea what I'm doing, isn't it? It's good stuff. It's good to learn as you go, I guess. Got some tractor, some insulation. Looks like a job site. Buckets, tools. It's all here, man. It's all here.